Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the confusing language of corporate America and find out what is really going on behind the scenes. Today we're diving into a fresh filing from Quarry Incorporated, and let's just say there is some new blood joining the team, and it has got a lot of interesting financial experience. So, what is the big news from Quarry Incorporated? Well, it looks like they've brought on 3 new directors to their board. This might sound like just a formality, but when you look at who they are and what they've done, it tells a pretty interesting story about where the company might be heading. The first of these new faces is Robert Byrne. Now, Robert isn't new to the world of business. He's got almost 30 years of experience as an entrepreneur, a trader, and an advisor to companies, both big and small. He's been working with companies on their finances, helping them figure out how to grow, restructure if needed, and even how to prepare for selling themselves or going public. He is deep into understanding how companies raise money, using everything from traditional stock offerings to newer methods like tokenization of real-world assets. Before all the advising, he was a full-time trader for over a decade, so he really knows the ins and outs of the stock market, how it moves, and how to make money in it. The company is clearly betting that his all-around financial expertise will be a huge help to their board. Next up, we have Alexander Monge. Alex is a partner and the chief legal officer at 10x Capital. He's got a background that is a mix of legal and financial expertise. He was part of the team that helped bring a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, called Digital World Acquisition Corp. Public, which eventually merged with Trump Media and Technology Group. He's also been a board chairman for another company and spent years working as a lawyer, dealing with everything from business disputes to helping public and private companies with their legal needs. Before that, he was in institutional equity sales and international wealth management, so he understands how money flows and how investors think. His legal background combined with his experience in capital markets and board service makes him a valuable addition, especially when it comes to navigating the complex world of corporate finance and regulation. And finally, there is Omar Hussain. Omar is the co-founder and chief strategic officer of ConvergeFee, a company that uses artificial intelligence to change how real estate lending works. Before that, he was the chief financial officer or CFO for 2 companies that were getting ready to go public, meaning they were raising a lot of money and preparing to be traded on the stock market. His career also includes several years as a technology investment banker at big names like Citigroup and BMO Capital Markets, helping companies with mergers and acquisitions. He has also worked with startups and even as an investor himself. With an MBA from Stanford, he's got a strong understanding of business strategy and finance. The board sees his experience as a CFO for companies going public and his investment banking background as key qualifications. Now, these new directors will be paid according to the company's usual program for board members who are not full-time employees. And don't worry, there are no special deals or hidden agreements when they were appointed, and no past business deals between them and the company that need to be disclosed. What does this all mean for Quarry Inc. and you, the investor? Well, bringing on directors with such deep experience in capital markets, finance, and strategic advisory roles suggests the company is looking to make some significant moves. It could mean they are planning to raise more capital, explore new business opportunities, or perhaps even prepare for a major event like an acquisition or an IPO themselves. Their common stock is traded on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol SKYC. It is also worth noting that Quarry Inc. is considered an emerging growth company. This means they have a bit more flexibility in how they report their financial information, and they are currently not using extended transition periods for new or revised financial accounting standards. For investors, this label usually means the company is on a path of growth and development, and might be more agile due to fewer regulatory requirements compared to larger, more established companies. While this filing doesn't provide a deep dive into Quarry's actual financial performance for a specific quarter, the appointment of these 3 individuals with such robust financial and strategic backgrounds is a clear signal. It indicates the company is actively strengthening its leadership to navigate the complexities of the financial markets and pursue ambitious growth strategies. It's like they're assembling a dream team to execute their next big plan. All in all, the addition of Robert Byrne, Alexander Monge, and Omar Hussain to the board of directors at Quarry Incorporated is a promising development. Their combined expertise in entrepreneurship, capital markets, legal matters, and strategic finance positions the company well for future endeavors, while we await more detailed financial disclosures. This move suggests a proactive approach to strengthening corporate governance and driving strategic growth. It's a strong indicator that Quarry is gearing up for something significant. What is your initial take on this board shuffle and the caliber of talent Quarry has attracted? Do you think this signals a new era of growth or a strategic pivot for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more insights into the world of corporate finance, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community. We've got a link in the description where we discuss these filings and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.